Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We do have the battery removed, but you do not need to remove the battery to pull the washer bottle out. We'll spray some rust penetrant on the back side of these two screws slash bolts. They do have a Phillips head in there. Use this 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. It's a little rusty. Get fitted on there. Get that one free. I'm going to work on getting this one free. Put those bolts aside. This should lift up off a little stud, kind of a rubber stud, and lift it up beyond the fuel filter. So, because this is a sedan, it doesn't have a rear wiper, so there's only one wiper motor. A wagon would be the same, except you'd have a motor here. To unplug it, just push in on the connector and pull it out, just like that. Now the hose is here, so I'm going to kind of tilt it with the fluid away from it. It also helps that this is not very full, so it did come off of this little plastic stud here in the bottom. I'm going to carefully pull the rubber hose off and put that right there. I'm going to take the whole bottle out. I'm going to try to hold it in this direction because it's not very full. If I tip it this way, it'll start to leak washer fluid out of here. So if you want to reuse this washer fluid, just pour this into a bucket and then you can pour it back in here when you replace this. Before you install this in the car, don't forget to find your windshield washer hose. It'd be very annoying to get it all installed and then realize you forgot to plug this in. It sprays washer fluid all out the bottom of the engine bay. Just pop that back up. It just slides right on. After you plug in the windshield washer hose, just make sure you plug the electrical connector back in. I'm gonna find it here, it kind of fell over. On this car, it's not a wagon, so this plug was never used. You can tell it's filled with dirt. So it is the green plug. It matches this one. Plug that back in. And then I'm gonna carefully feed it down in here. And actually looking at this the way it is, I think it should go underneath this one here. I'm gonna slide this under this harness, and up and around, plug this in. This little spot, this round mount on the bottom of the bottle is going to round, there's a round opening in the fender well. It's going to sit down in there. Get this caught. It's going to feed underneath the fuel filter and just sit right down in there. You can reinstall the bolts. Refill the washer tank. Put a funnel in here and fill it with the appropriate washer fluid. Bottle's translucent, you can see how full it is. Take the funnel out, put the cap back on, it's refilled with washer fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.